Julie Phillips, your nature-based teaching instructor. You're looking at product 14.1, a teacher's guide to passive solar design lesson plan. This is a 21-week lesson plan that's 8 pages long that includes an approach that gets you and your students engaged and involved in these critical lessons around passive solar design, natural daylighting, green building, and sustainability. So this essential 21-week nature science lesson plan is for every teacher, for every student, for every school, for every college and community. Students get to work in teams, which is so fun, to explore the value of passive solar design, natural daylighting, and a green building approach to construction. And also, why is it important to think in a more sustainable way in our buildings, both commercial and residential? So it's important from the perspective of students, the building occupant, our communities, our environment, and this helps build our students' skills in terms of leadership, team building, and stewardship. So I think you'll really enjoy this product 14.1. It goes along quite well with our other product, which is product 14.2, a teacher's guide to passive solar design guide, which is an extensive overview, and it gives you a nice overview of over 30-some years of experience in designing and building these residential buildings by my husband Stuart. So he's part of our nature-based teaching team, and he's also highlighted on that guide introductory video as well. So enjoy the products, and again, this is 14.1, a teacher's guide to passive solar design lesson plan. Have a great day.